Hey guys, Trevor with Ecommerce Paradise. Today I'm going to show you how to get a spokesperson video made for your high-ticket dropshipping store using my recommended place for outsourcing, Fiverr.com. So let's get into the video. Alright, cool guys, so we're here at Fiverr.com. And one of the best things you can do is get a spokesperson video made for your business when you're first starting out. Now, as you can see, I already have a couple that I've checked out here, and I really like this one here. But the way you find more is you go to video animation and go to spokesperson videos. So you'll see a lot of them here. You can sort by recommended, you can sort by newest arrivals or best selling. All right. So if you look through here, you kind of see some. What I recommend doing is finding one that kind of matches your niche audience, your target audience and stuff like that. But what I usually also recommend is choosing one that has a ton of reviews, or like how many that they've purchased, that kind of thing. So, this guy is great. This girl also does a great job. There's lots of options here, folks. So, this guy, for instance, he's a really good one. And it's only $10 to start with 50 words. So even if your script is like 200 words, it's only going to cost you about $40, maybe 50 if you want to add on some your logo and stuff like that kind of thing. But yeah, these kinds of great things are great for your business. You can use him in a variety of outfits, for instance.
Entrepreneurs, business owners, listen up.
If you want to basically have a professional face to your business, but you don't want to be the person, then this guy can be the face.
What an honor and privilege it is today to be speaking with you all.
So, he's a very professional guy. So it's definitely the best way to go. If you need to come up with a script or something like that, then people usually will actually provide scripts, these guys. So just contact them and tell them, hey, I want to see if you can get a script done for me, and he'll tell me how much it is, and he'll get it done for you. Okay? So that's the best way to do it, and I highly recommend Fiverr. Definitely use the link in the description below to sign up for an account today. You'll get free credit that you can put towards getting this gig and or any other gig as well through my link. So ecommerceparadise.com/Fiverr. All right, so I hope this video is helpful. Definitely get an About Us spokesperson gig going for your high-ticket dropshipping store. It's one of the best things you can possibly do. Use my link in the description below to get free credit towards your first gig, ecommerceparadise.com/Fiverr. And I look forward to helping you more to grow your high-ticket dropshipping business. Definitely subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.